Oh, it smells divine. I don't smell what you smell. What does that even smell like? I haven't been going anywhere. When I went to register to order the popcorn, and she was like, you smell so good. Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Adrianne. So today's video is going to be all my top 10 long-lasting affordable fragrances. And I had to actually include one because I can't make a video without talking about this one perfume. This is one of my top performers on my channel. You guys like affordable fragrances, so I wanted to break it down, and I have a lot in my collection, but these are the ones that have lasted me the longest and have gotten me compliments, and I mean hours into the day, and people will still tell me I smell good, even when I can't smell it on myself. Okay, we love that. We love affordable fragrances, and I'm here to give you my top 10. Now, if you've been here a while, then you probably have heard about, I've talked about some of these, but if you are new, hi, my name is Adrianne MG. I love to create videos around beauty, mainly fragrances, lifestyle blogs, and fashion, affordable fashion at that. If that's something that you like, I ask that you subscribe to my channel to join the family, and be sure to like this video and leave me a comment below. So I'm going to put a disclaimer out there, you guys. I have the world's worst headache. Okay, I went and got Botox earlier today, about 3 hours ago to be exact, and all of this just hurts. But today is a filming day for me, so I put my makeup on this morning. I took it off for my appointment and put a whole nother face on today because mama gotta work. Okay, we got things to do. So let's get into these perfumes. So I'm not gonna go into any particular order. I'm just gonna go with the ones that I pick up first. So the first one, I was about to say this is Billie Eilish, but this is the dupe to Billie Eilish's perfume. This is Lattafa's Nebras. If you like vanilla, you will love this scent. I have the black and the white one, but I think my daughter took the white one. Matter of fact, I know she took my white one. But the black one smells, it's like a spot on Billie Eilish. Billie Eilish is a viral vanilla scent for not even, I don't know, it's not niche, it's not designer. She's a singer. It's her perfume line. Her perfume lasts a very long time too, but Lattafa said, give me that DNA and I'm gonna dupe that and sell it for a quarter of the price, and they did just that. When I put this on, it's a gourmand. Don't get me wrong, it is a gourmand, but it's not overly sweet. I always feel like playful. It's good for date night. It's good for daytime. It's good all the way around. But let me put this disclaimer out here before we go any further. Let's talk about how to get your fragrances to last all day. Okay, there is a rhyme to the reason of how to get your perfumes to last long. All of these do perform really well, but I'm not going to hold you. I definitely layer these. I mean, every so often I may go in with just the perfume, but 9 times out of 10 I'm going in with a scented lotion or a body oil before I go in with my perfume. I rarely ever go in with just straight to skin, just perfume. I don't. And I always overspray. Okay, we don't do this. We don't just go and then that's it. We're not doing that. All right, we are soaking ourselves. Okay, not literally soak ourselves, but we're putting at least, I don't count, but if I had to count, I would probably say at least 20 to 25 sprays. My husband's always like, God dog, girl, put the spray and freshener. When I put on perfume, I am putting it on. Okay, you want to make sure that you layer. You want to make sure that you have something moisturized skin underneath it to give the perfume to stick to. Like, you're gonna spray your clothes, it's gonna stick to your hair, it's gonna stick to your clothes, but you want to stick to your skin as well. My number one is Brown Sugar Babe. I love Brown Sugar Babe oils. Their oils are super potent, and they last a very long time by themselves. And then when you go in with a top performing long lasting perfume, I'm talking you're going to get at least 10 to 12 plus hours of wear. If you say that my perfume doesn't last, my first question is, are you putting enough on, and did you layer it? Okay, you could use Jergens lotion if you want to. You just want to make sure that you moisturize your skin first. I mean, it should go without saying, first clean your skin, because it's not going to do good over, you know, BO. You won't want body odor and then put layer. You don't want to do that. You want to go in, do your whole shower routine, your double cleansing, your douse soap, your body wash, and then you go in with your body cream, then your body oil, then this. Yes, it's a whole routine. It's a whole routine to get your perfumes to last longer. So now that we got out the way, let's get back to the perfumes. Billie Eilish's dupe lasts super long time. You definitely need to get it under $50. My wonderful editor will make sure that she has all the notes on the screen so you can look at the notes and see if it's something that you would like, and you should definitely look into it. Easy ways to shop. My links is by clicking this. This will take you to my LTK where you can find everything that I ever talk about on my LTK. There's a search bar on my page, and you can just put Lattafa, and all my Lattafa perfumes and reviews will come through, or Nebras. Anytime I've ever linked this, it'll come up. Or you can shop in the YouTube shopping. Either way go, thank you for shopping my links. All right, next up is Durrah, and this is by Lattafa. This is their niche brand. This is a fruity scent. If you like, not kiddish though, it's a fruity spring summer scent. This is definitely spring summer. This smells really good. It lasts, I talk about this story all the time. If you're not new here, then you already know. I'm talking about the lady who gave me compliments 9 hours later about this. Now I haven't worn it. Matter of fact, I might wear this tonight just because I've been reaching for this and another one. I just can't seem to keep my hands off of them when I go out, but I don't go out that often. So this one definitely gets compliments and it lasts a very long time. Again, I am overly spraying my clothes so it can stick to my clothes, overly spraying my skin, well moisturized skin, and it will last long. Honestly, to be honest with you, any perfume that you put on, if you overspray, well, some of them are going like a vapor of air. I do have a couple in my collection, and I'm just like, this is something I only need. It's like a body spray. But some people like the light scents. I don't. I like for my scent to walk in the room before I do. And when you overspray this one does that. It's not overpowering. It's not super strong. I have some, I might do that as my next video. But all of my super strong scents, like the ones that are like demanding, dominant, when you walk in the room, like it's a beast mode, my beast mode fragrances, I might do that too. Let me know down below if you guys want a video on my beast mode fragrances, because I could definitely do that. I have plenty of those. I'm a beast mode girl, so that's like right in my alley. But Durrah could be beast mode if you overspray her. She can be soft if you want to. Either way go, it lasts a very long time and she smells amazing. All right, next up is Angel Dust by Collage. Now this is the dupe to the YSL Vanilla Couture. That was a limited edition. If you love the YSL lead DNA, you will love this scent. You will love this scent. The worst thing they could have done was make that limited edition. That perfume is too good to be limited edition. That's like it's in my top 3 of all of the YSL leaves, and I have seven bottles over there of all the different flankers that they have. I'll tell you my top 3, but at the end of it, we're talking about this. This is really good and it lasts really long. This one lasts probably about 8 to 10 hours on my skin. It smells it smells so good. It smells amazing, and I know it's under $50. Like, and it's probably even cheaper now, because I feel like the older that these scents get, the cheaper that they get to me. Like, I have one in here that's like $20-something, and I don't know how it's that cheap because it is a beast mode, but we'll talk about that one last. But this one, Panache Angel Dust by Collage, and the packaging is like beautiful. We love it. All right, now this next one is one I was telling you that I have been reaching for this summer because it has a mango scent in it, okay? And I've gotten compliments on this several times. Every time I've worn it, people are like, what are you wearing? What are you wearing? Opulent Dubai by Lattafa. This is my mango scent. I have another one that smells really good too, but this one is, like I said, perfect for the summertime. It's not giving vacation, but it's giving just like spring, summer, and it smells amazing. If you ever smelled God of Fire by, I think, Stephanie something, then this is it's the exact same DNA. It smells just as good. It's kind of got like a little spice to it. It's like a mango spicy scent, and I like it. I actually really love this one. I've talked about it so many times. If you don't have it in your collection now, what are you doing? What are you doing? All right, next up is Juman Precious. Okay, I don't know who this is by. This is my first time talking about this one. I got this because a little birdie told me that this smells exactly like Valentino Extra Dose. It does not smell exactly like Valentino Extra Dose. It's in the same family, but it's not a spot on dupe. It's not a spot on dupe. To me, this one has a little bit more vanilla than the Extra Dose does. The Extra Dose has the Valentino's DNA, Born Aroma DNA at the base. I feel like it's in the family, but it's like, it's not a spot on dupe. But it does last a long time, and it smells really good. If you don't want to pay for the price of Valentino Extra Dose, because that one's about $180 for the bottle, I highly recommend you checking out this one. I will have a link down below. Make sure that you spray enough, because this is another one like the Durrah. It's going to do what you tell it to do. So if you spray lightly, it's going to be a light scent. If you spray a lot, it's going to be a lot. And baby, I'm a lot. Give it to me all, okay? I don't understand how people buy perfumes to do a 3 to 5 spray. Like, what are we doing? What are we doing? No, what are y'all doing? Because I know what I'm doing. What are y'all doing? I need y'all to put it on. Put it on. All right, next up is Vanilla Voyage. Okay, now this is a beast mode vanilla that lasts all day. I saw a review and I was kind of offended by it because I'm like, I don't smell what you smell. Now y'all know fragrance is subjective, okay? So what my nose smell may not be what you smell, but I always say in all my perfume videos is that I highly recommend that you go through your collection, you look at your favorite perfume, you go look up the notes, and then anything that rings a bell in any of the ones that you see around here, affordable, then think about purchasing it. Think about, I mean, I don't know. All ones I ever brought was blind buy. I don't have a store to go in and smell these, so thank you for judging my reviews, okay? I know I can't win everybody, but the fact that you guys trust me enough to order the perfumes, and I'll be wanting y'all to like them and love them as well. But anyway, that's all I like to say. Somebody said that this smells like synthetic butter popcorn, and my first thought was, what does that even smell like? What does fake popcorn smell like? What does fake butter smell like? You know what I mean? Like, I'm like, if you're gonna try to like talk about a fragrance in a bad way, like make it make sense, because I couldn't even relate to what they were trying to say. So I was a little offended because I'm like, I love vanilla Voyage. I don't think it smells synthetic vanilla. I think it smells really good. It does have a butter note to it. It does have a butter note, but I think this one is good on its own. It's a beast mode vanilla, but it smells and layers very well with other ones. And whenever I did wear it, I wore it on its own. But to me, I feel like this is more of a fall vanilla to me. I don't think it's more of a spring summer vanilla, which is why I haven't reached for it. But a couple times that I did wear it, I definitely got at least 10 to 12 hours of wear out of it. It smells really good. I think it's perfect for the office. I think it's a safe scent for anybody that likes vanilla. All right, next up is Mystique Boutique by Afnan. The bottle speaks for itself, okay? This is definitely a floral spring scent. This is a safe scent. If you like Perfumes de Marly Valaya, you're gonna like this. It's a floral scent. It's a floral scent. It could be soft. No, it's not soft to me. It's not soft to my nose. It's not a beast mode, but it's not a soft mode fragrance as well. I think it's a safe scent to wear. Perfect for work, perfect for the spring, summer. I reach for this so much. The bottle can tell that I reach for it. And I love the bottle. The bottle is actually beautiful. This was my first purchase from the boutique line, and I ended up buying all the other ones because this one is so good and it lasts. I get compliments, or I got compliments every time I wear it. I haven't reached for it this spring / summer yet because I haven't been going anywhere. I'm gonna start putting my perfumes on just to walk around the house, which I do. I just don't overspray in the house just because I don't know. Sometimes I'll be like a walking air freshener. I'm okay with that. I don't know, Adrianne. Land a plane. Go back. Mystique. Mystique Boutique by Afnan. It smells amazing. Get your nose on it. If you like florals, you will definitely like this one. Trust me. All right, next up is Nyla. I got this, I think, last summer or summer before last. This one has fruity scents, which I remember that. And I wore it to the movies last summer when I took the girls to the movies, and I had put it on that morning because I had gotten dressed and I ran somewhere, and then I was recording, and then I came back. We went to the movies I think at 4 o'clock that afternoon, and I remember the girl, when I went to register to order the popcorn, and she was like, "You smell so good." I was like, "Oh, thank you." By that time I really couldn't smell it on myself anymore, and if I put it big up on at 8 o'clock that morning, it was at 4. That's 8 hours. 8 hours and you can still smell it. This is the one that went viral. It was an AI video that went viral and said that Rihanna wears this perfume, which was not true, but she still smells really good. I think she's good for daytime, and I also think she's like sexy enough to wear at night. The bottle is beautiful. It has fruity scents, fruity notes to it, but it's not a fruity scent to me. Like I don't really get the notes that it says. Like I get like daytime, sexy, grown woman is what I get out of this when I smell it. That's just me. That's what my nose smells. All right, now I know that I've talked about this perfume plenty of times. This is like my go-to gift to almost anybody whose birthday, or if I'm pretty much birthdays. I bought this perfume for a lot of people in my family, and I have not had anybody say that they don't like it. I haven't. But the crazy part about it is that it smells different on everybody. So like when my mom or my niece, or maybe my sister, when she wore it, I was just like, "What are you wearing? You smell good." And when she said peace and love by Lattafa. When she said that, I'm just like, it don't smell like that on me. I get compliments on this perfume. And then this is also a dupe to a high-end perfume. Oh gosh, I can't think of the name, but it's Soleil something that's in this bottle. I ended up buying the travel size of this perfume because I wanted it, but this bottle was $400. $400. It's Dries Van Noten. That's what it is. That's what this is a dupe to, and to me it's a spot on dupe. It smells so good. Oh, I think I might wear this today to my meeting. I'm like, I got so many options, girl. When I go outside, I get excited because I'm like, which one will I choose today? And this one just, oh, it smells divine. Perfect for date night, perfect for church, perfect for work, perfect for anything, which is why I think it's a universal gift to give anybody. And plus, last time I checked, I want to say it was $30 or $35 for this. It's amazing. Now next one is a newer one to me. I talked about it in my, the vlog saw my first impressions, and it was either this one or another one, and I was just like, I don't know which one. I like the other one at the time. I like the other one more in the vlog, but then I ended up wearing this one first out. And when I tell you, I got compliments in the mall. I had to go to my appointment to get my permanent braces put back on. And so the way the place is where also I got my eyebrows microbladed, the girl who did my brows. So her office is there, her door was closed, and that's like the little lobby area. And then I walked over here to get me and the girls put our braces on. Now we were there for about an hour. I heard them talking a little bit, maybe about 15 minutes before we walked out. And the girl who does my eyebrows was standing out, and she was like, I had to come out here to see who you were because I smell you. Like, your scent came into my studio through the door being closed. Like, that's how it was. She was like, and you left the scent trail. Like, me and my client were both like, what is that smell? And she was like, what are you wearing? And I was like, it's called Infinity by Armaf. Okay, this is one of my newer perfumes, and girl, she smells good. I don't know if it was just because it was my first impressions, and when I first smelled it, I got alcohol from it, and so I was like, it's okay, and I set it down. And then, like, I don't know, like, when I wore it, and even when I'm smelling it in this bottle, it just smells amazing. Like, it smells amazing. So the girl was like, let me see what it is. Send me the link. I want the link. So I pulled it up. I'm on my Amazon purchases, and I'm like, look. She was like, girl, it's only $35. I'm like, yes. She was like, you don't understand how, like, it's you've been in there for a while, and you are still strong. And I'm like, oh, thank you. And then later on that evening, we ended up going to the mall, and so I ended up ordering the girls lunch or whatever. And so when I went to register, the girl was like, you smell so good. And I was like, thank you. It's like my favorite compliment ever is when anybody tells me I smell good. You have my heart. You have my heart, because I love it. I love that compliment. But yeah, Infinity by Armaf, you definitely need to get your hands on it. So those are my top 10. I told you guys I saved the best for last. My longest lasting perfume that always gets me compliments. It always lasts long. It's my number one, and this is the one I was saying it was only $20-something now because it's a little bit older. It came out 2 years ago, and I talked about it, and I can't make a video while talking about it. Like, she's gonna be included in every one of them because I need everybody in the universe to have this perfume. This is Lattafa's Angum, which is the dupe to Burberry Goddess. Just think lavender and just think vanilla. That's what this is. But except the Burberry Goddess has more vanilla, and Angum has a little bit more lavender to it, in my opinion. And if you ever want to know what this smells like, it also smells exactly like Rare Beauty's perfume. Rare Beauty's perfume is just in the same DNA as this, and which smells amazing. If you love that perfume, you will love Angum, which is an affordable option, and you will love Burberry Goddess. So I will have all of these linked down below, and also again, scan this QR code for you to shop, or you can easily shop in the YouTube shopping. They should be popping up throughout the video for you to click on to shop, make it easier to shop. Either way it go, girl, thank you for shopping my links. I am going to take me some Tylenol before this meeting and figure out which perfume I'm going to wear. So anyways, that's it. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe to my channel on your way out. And let me go get this Tylenol in my head. Okay, bye.